Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix screen rotation not working on your Samsung S26 Plus. So first, what you guys want to do is enable auto rotate in the quick settings. So we're gonna swipe from the right side. Now we wanna make sure that we open up this thing right here, and we wanna make sure that it says auto rotate here, because if it says portrait, then the phone will be locked into the portrait mode, and we wanna make sure that we can rotate our screen. So keep it on auto rotate. Now what you guys want to do is tilt the phone to test the gyroscope in different apps. So let me quickly lower the brightness for you. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna open up some apps like Play Store, and let's see if it works here. So as you guys can see, it works without any issues. We can try, of course, the internet also works. We can try, let's say, the phone app. It also works. Let's try messages, of course, it also works, and the camera also works. So that's how we know that this is working. But if it's not working for you, then what you guys want to do is restart the phone to reset the sensors. So to restart this phone, you need to press the power button and the volume down button. Keep on holding it until you see power menu appear. Tap restart and tap again to restart the phone. Now it's restarting, and I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. After the restart, what you guys want to do is go over and update your software. So you open up the phone again. Now you go over into settings, and in those settings you swipe down until you see software update almost at the bottom. Here we're gonna click check for updates to make sure that we are on the latest version. If we're not, then we will see the button to download and install the newer one. If we are on the latest version, we will see this little text that says that our software is up to date. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.